on statistical analysis, CBC ratings. We look at a few different factors, market networks, evaluate it as a whole. My name is Bo. I'm with Purdue University Global. It is the end of March. I'm looking forward to your questions at the end. Let's get into it. Welcome, CBC executives. Welcome to our statistical analysis of business outcomes, looking at the ratings for CBC, looking at the ratings for ABN, BBS, identifying strengths, weaknesses, some things that the hypothesis test, looking at the means, the averages. Let's look out. Let's take a look here at the means across all networks. You can see in this chart here, CBC has the lowest average rating across all three networks from the data that we drew, the data that we had, which was 12-month period, January to December. We found ABN to have the highest ranked mean network overall. CBC was the lowest. The average cross industry here, you can see as marked by the dashed red line, was 14 and a half. CBC fell below that by about one full rating point. On the left-hand side here, you can see the CBC ratings are spread out, but most importantly, there are a couple of outliers that end up pulling the data, skewing the data positively when the rest are clustered more closely towards a lower value. So the data is slightly skewed, as you can see by the outliers illustrated here.